What is up, everybody? It is Brian with First Shot Tactical, back with another video for you here today. And today we are going to be unboxing and taking a quick look at, well, what's in this box. Let's go ahead and get it out of the packaging and see what's inside. Obviously, if you can't read here, it says Volquartsen Firearms on the front, so that is what's inside. So let's open this up. Got a nice hard case. We have our firearm over here. We got a little package here, and we're gonna move our case over to the side. And then let's go ahead and just get everything out of the packaging real quick. Oh man, I can already see. Ooh, look at that. Go ahead and pull that out. So this here is the Volquartsen Black Mamba. And of course we got a super cool Cerakote paint job on this one. For those who don't know, this is basically a Ruger Mark IV 22/45 frame, but then Volquartsen has obviously done some magic to this to make it super Gucci and basically competition ready. It is chambered in 22 LR, so this is gonna be super soft and easy to shoot. And also, we'll just start at the front here. You can see we do have a comp built into this, and this is actually removable. So as if 22 already didn't have a lot of recoil, with this comp, you're gonna basically have none. As mentioned, you can remove this here with the tool provided. So right here it is. And the reason you would wanna remove this, just to show you, is, well, if you wanted to add a suppressor onto this instead. So this is what it looks like once you remove it here. There is a O-ring to help with that seal here. And then obviously this is your comp. And I just want to say, wow, as far as the machine work to get this all precise put together, pretty good job by Volquartsen there. And just to show you for reference here, here is just a normal Ruger Mark IV, but I do have a dead air 22 suppressor on this here. So if you wanted to, you could remove that, add it to the front of this, and then you'd have your suppressed 22. So just an option for you to think about. For now though, let's go ahead and put our comp back on. There we go, good to go. As far as other things that come with it, as you saw here, if you did not want to run the comp and you did not want to run a suppressor, you do have just a thread protector that comes with here, so you can use that. Springs, so they do provide, we have a gold spring, heavier spring, extra power, a couple different options here that you can swap out if needed. And then they also give you this little guy here with some instructions if you needed to use this as well. I'm gonna be honest, not 100% sure what this is for though. We'll look into that later. Also in our packaging, you do get 2 magazines. These are the 10-round Ruger mags, but then they have the Volquartsen base plates on it. So that way when you do insert it, you have a nice little ledge there. And again, it just looks a little cleaner. Oh, and then of course you do have your owner's manual here. So everything that you'd want. Oh, as well as some stickers. How about that? Authenticity certificate there as well. So there you go, all that's in here. So I would just keep that in your box so that way you have it for later. So who is this pistol for? The biggest one is a competition shooter. This thing comes with all the parts that you'd want on it for competition, as well as a trigger that we're gonna talk about here in a sec that is super light. You have your comp. If you needed to, you can put a pick rail on, or you have the pick rail on top for you to mount a red dot, but these sights are actually pretty good too. So that's number one. The second person is someone like me who just wants a Gucci 22 setup that has a comp, or you could swap to a suppressor. And guys, this thing just looks so cool. Guaranteed, if you have a son or daughter, or if you're taking you know, younglings to go to the range to have some fun, this is a phenomenal pistol to get them started on and get them comfortable with firearms. Minimal recoil, enjoyable to shoot, super light trigger. Honestly, if you start them on this and then they switch to a Glock when they turn like 18 or later on, they're probably gonna hate the Glock. Speaking of that trigger though, let's go ahead and give a quick trigger pull on it. I got our Wheeler trigger gauge. Volquartsen is known for their super light triggers, so let's see what we have on this guy here. We're gonna go ahead and pull. Helps if we turn the safety off. So for those who don't know, this is the safety here. Red is dead, up is safe. So we're gonna go ahead and push it down. And now let's go ahead and pull our trigger. So pull, wow, okay. So we are right at about 2.5 pounds. Let's go ahead and give 2 more pulls here real quick. Pull, 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 geez. A little under 2.5 pounds, and let's go one more time, just for good measure. Pull, and right at about 2.5 pounds, which is stupid light. Other things to note, you can see it has this super cool, I can call it the charging handle on this setup here, where you can easily just rack it like that. You can see this is also, I believe it's DLC coating, which is gonna help as far as keeping the gun not as dirty. .22 LR is a very dirty cartridge. So with the upgraded parts and components Volquartsen has, it's gonna help keep the gun running even though you're shooting that really dirty .22 round. I'm super excited to get this to the range here. Let me know in the comments what you guys think of this. I'll have a follow-up video putting every part on it that we want, and then obviously shooting it out at the range. But hopefully for now, this was helpful just to give you an idea of what'll come with it. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody.